Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Karen, Lavender Clothesline on eBay, Instagram, and here on YouTube. Today I have a little mishmash haul. Nothing really spectacular, but just some bits and bobs, as they say across the pond, of things that I found, things that interested me. Some of them do have great profit capability, and I've picked this type of item up before. I will also be doing a high profit thrift finds, some of it crazy, some of it just high profit thrift finds, with screenshots and telling you why I picked those things up and what kind of money they brought. And what else am I doing today? I think that's it for this video. Grab yourself a cup of something hot to drink because it's very chilly here in Pennsylvania, and let's get started. So the first item or items that I'm gonna show are, see if I can grab these both at the same time, two Vera Bradley bags. Now I don't know the names of the prints, but I know this is a popular print, and I will start with this one. So most likely I won't even look that up because that's how crazy busy I've been. I will probably just put black, gray, yellow, floral print, something like that, quilted, you know, all the keywords, and the person looking for it will have to figure out the print and all of that. I know that sounds lazy, but my time is just crazy over the top. I am running full speed. So if I put that into a comp search and I find the pattern, I will throw it into Google and make sure it's correct and then list it with the correct pattern name. But for now, I'm just gonna throw it into keywords describing the bag, if all of that makes sense. So I found both of these at the same time. They look really clean and really unused, which is amazing. Now Vera Bradley, I do pick up once in a while, like this time I picked it up, because these are so exceptionally clean. I think these are new. There is no sign of wear, dirt. I don't see anything wrong with these. Beautiful condition. And what did I pay? I paid $7 a piece. And I have no idea what this pattern brings, but one of the Vera Bradley bags that I always gravitate towards is the solid black. If you find Vera Bradley in the solid black, you want to run a comp on that. Recently, maybe not so recent, a couple of months ago, I sold one of the quilted bags and I think I got $80 or $90 for it. Yeah, Vera Bradley. It was in very nice shape. But it's my experience that people really like the solid black. Whether it's LuLaRoe dress or Vera Bradley bag, to me, solid black is always something you should run a comp on because people want that, that basic, that staple in their wardrobe. So yes to two Vera Bradley bags in very good shape. Next item up, okay, I've lost all track if I've shown these or not. Now I have shown these before, not this exact pair, but I have talked about this brand, Chungshi, C-H-U-N-G-S-H-I. This is a sneaker that has a rocker in the middle of the shoe. And I think the whole premise is to exercise the muscles in your legs and also build balance in your body. And I actually tried these on. Can I just say, I have no idea how anybody's walking in these. They're killer. I mean, it was almost like walking on stilts, but they bring very good money. So when I saw a pair of Chungshis in the thrift store for, what did I pay for these? I think I paid $7. I said, yes, absolutely yes. They go that way. They're in great condition. They do have a mark on the bottom. Looks like, I don't know, 109. I can't imagine 109 is the price. I could be wrong about that. I expect to get, I'm gonna guess the $40 mark. Chungshi can bring very good money. And when I first found this brand, the very first time I came, you know, across it in a thrift store, I'm like, what are these? Are these dancer shoes? And I saw the name Chungshi and I thought they were just off-brand shoes. But then as I looked at it, I thought to myself, these are well made. These aren't like a cheap, you know, Dollar Tree, but you know, those sneakers that, you know, will sell at like a Kmart or something and they were, you know, just a knockoff. These look well made. So all of that to say, I said yes to Chungshi sneakers with rocker bottoms. Okay, we are staying with the Asian theme. Ready for this find? I found this ox, bull, cow thing. Look at this guy. I got nothing. I wouldn't even begin, so why did I buy it? Yeah, that is a good question. Why did I buy this? Well, I thought he was well made, not exceptionally made. You could tell it's not an antique. It's not like a fine piece of art or sculpture, but I kind of liked him and I thought maybe somebody would want him. So he did come in this box, but as you can see, the writing did me no good. I don't see anything in English, and he also came with a stand, a plastic stand, which I'm wondering if this stand, I guess it came with him. But you know, for the couple of dollars that I paid, I think I paid $4, something told me to pick him up. Now, I don't even know if this goes with that. I'm not quite sure. So if you guys, if anybody knows anything about Asian oxen, bull animals, figurines, could you leave a comment down below? Thanks so much, guys. Are you guys over my craziness or what? Is this crazy? This is crazy. I don't know. I just feel like he's going to sell, and I will report back when he does, and you'll all be looking for Chinese bull oxen figurines. All right, what shall we talk about next? You guys are probably still spinning from that one, like, what in the world is this girl picking up? But okay, here we go. You know how I always say that I don't pick up single coffee mugs? Yeah, I lied. I picked up this one. This is the Philadelphia Marathon in 2008. It was their 15th anniversary. So it is a mug from that race. And I feel like, what if a person ran the race and did well and didn't get the mug? They didn't buy the t-shirt. They need this. So I said yes to it. I don't know what all these numbers mean. Okay, so it was an 8K race. And was that the fastest person and the slowest person? They made the cup? I don't know. That's all I got. I'm just kidding around. I thought it was good. $1.97. I haven't checked comps. It could be a big womp womp, womp womp. But a lot of times when there are sporting events or like the Olympics or, you know, I don't know, a World Series, a Super Bowl, there's so many people watching those games or participating in those sports that I figured somebody's going to want it. So I said yes. I will report back if this was a big womp womp and let you guys know, don't pick up the Philadelphia Marathon cups. But as you can see, I picked it up. All right, we're getting crazy here. The next item up is a hat. You guys know I love hats. And this one came in Appleseeds bag. So I guess Appleseeds, I think, is a catalog company, right? Is that what they are? So somebody ordered a hat through Appleseeds. I hope that's right. And the hat says Kapalua. How do we say that? I guess that's Hawaiian. It's probably Hawaiian for pretty lady. And yeah, what fun is this hat? I kind of like this hat. I'm getting old. I thought this hat was great because of the wide brim. I think people look for that to, you know, have sun protection. And it is put out by Fiesta, Phoenix, Arizona. So when I saw it, it was in the bag. That's number one. Number two, it's a cute style. It's got the bow on the back. And the ribbon itself is nice quality. When you see hats, pay attention to the banding. The banding or decoration tells as much information as the hat itself. So this one is a wicker, not a wicker, a straw, a wicker chair on your head. This one is a straw or a raffia, and the label is very nice quality. Again, I have not run comps. I believe I paid $2.99 for this. I took the sticker off because I'm getting ready to list all of this. I thought this was pretty good, so I said yes. All right, you guys know I always have to show a pair of shoes with every haul, and the shoe of the day are these. Look how beautiful these are. So these are men's chukka boot or desert boot. There's another name, ranger boot. I use all those keywords. The leather on this is beautiful, and that's what attracted me. Now these are Fila, as you can see. And I knew Fila made leather athletic shoes, but I didn't realize that they made boots like this. I probably missed that whole day in school. But I thought, yeah, I'm gonna pick those up. So I paid $8 for these. I have not run comps. but I solely went on the quality of the leather. They're in great condition. I mean, I have to get a few rocks out of the tread there. I always hold boots like this to see if there's a wear pattern, and the wear pattern wasn't bad on these. So very lightly worn, and I paid $8, so I think these are pretty good. Now they do have a little bit of a bump right here. And in a past video, I talked about looking for signs in the shoes if the person who wore the shoes had some kind of foot issue and it marked the shoe. So this one does have a bump on this side and the stitching is a little bit loose, but I still think these are good. I still think I can get $30 out of these. So I'm gonna give these a try and I will report back on Instagram, Lavender Clothesline, what these shoes brought. I have one more item to show you, and then I will probably do screenshots of high profit thrift finds, maybe some of them crazy, so that I can share with you what has been selling and what kind of money it's bringing. In my crazy high profit thrift videos, a lot of times I am just showing you things of interest, what odd items, what things brought if it was a surprise profit. Naturally, I can't show you everything I'm selling. I think I sell, I'm gonna take a guess guys, top of my head, probably 3,000, probably around the 3,000 items per year. This year, my eBay, what do we call it, 1099, was 109,000. So $109,000 worth of sales. That's my sales, not my profit. I couldn't show you everything. You can always go into my store, Lavender Clothesline, and see what I'm selling. I have no problem with sharing it. And yeah, so this last item, let's get on with this, is a United States Navy photo album, still in plastic. Now it does have a sticker here. It's a Navy memory album and it's made in China. So I don't think this is terribly old, but I thought somebody's gonna want this. It is like a material that kind of looks like needlepoint. It's a textured woven tapestry material, all of those keywords. Do you guys do that? If you're a seller, do you go around talking in keywords? It's like, this is a book, an album, a Navy album. Oh my goodness, I think I need coffee. Anyway, I picked this up. I think I paid $3 for it. And yeah, I have no idea what this is gonna bring. How's that for a lack of information? I'm gonna guess $20, $25, something like that. And yeah, but I said yes to it because you can see I brought it home. All right, that was a crazy haul. Sorry for all of the randomness, but I like to show you what I'm picking up, what I'm finding interesting, and I always like to show what I'm selling. So stay tuned for crazy high profit thrift finds. Some of them not so crazy, but still good profit. And thanks so much for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll be notified when I post a video. Thank you so much for all of your encouragement. My channel is just growing leaps and bounds. And as always, go out and get what's yours. Welcome back to another episode of Crazy High Profit Thrift Finds. Today we're going to get started with the sale of this print. Now, as you can see, this print did have some water staining to it, but I still picked it up anyway, and it brought $222. Over the moon happy. I believe I paid $6 for this. The next item was a lot of two. These are digital rechargeable hearing batteries or amplifiers I believe, and one sold for $40.31 and the second one sold soon after for $38.63. I got both of them for $4. This next item, I knew right away I would be buying this. It did have some marks on it, which I pre-treated and washed and hung dry. This is Polo Sport men's jacket, $106.92 it sold for, and I paid $9.50, I believe. The next item I've talked about, this was a new brand for me, Naked Cashmere. This sweater is gorgeous. I found two of them, and this one sold for $95.22. I believe I still have the second one. Not even sure about that, but super great profit. I paid $4.50 for each of them. This item has been much talked about. I found this last summer at a yard sale. I paid $15 for it. It is a genuine antique Civil War sword. I did sell it for $400. Unfortunately, the buyer had a problem with his credit card, and after me trying to intervene and call PayPal and eBay to help him out, the sale did not go through. So currently I'm putting this back in my store, and I know it's just a matter of time until this sells. But when I was in correspondence with the buyer, he genuinely had me convinced that he did want to purchase it, but his credit card had not been updated. So we shall see what happens with it. I'm going to go ahead and relist it and wait for the right buyer. This next item is a beautiful dress, new with tags, $63.72 Simply Couture. Now that brand does not always bring this kind of profit, but this style was exceptional. The bottom floral print was all embroidered. This next item, I'm sure many of you know, this is Obermeyer. It's a ski jacket, $49.12, and I paid $7.50. This item is Gotex. I sell swimwear all year round. I pick up swimwear any time of the year that I find it, and it's in great shape. This was new with tags. I really like the Gotex name. I think their product is great. $52.50, and I paid $5. This next item is a Carrick Dawn fisherman's sweater, made in Ireland. Anytime you see Made in Ireland on the inner tags, you want to take a really good look at the item. $85, and I paid $5.50. This is one of the quilts that I picked up in a large lot of quilts from Goodwill, $97.41. And truthfully, I don't remember what I paid. It was a couple of dollars. I did wash it, line dry it, steam it, and show it on a bed. This item was a new brand to me. This is Stitch Golf. They make beautiful carrying cases, luggage, those types of items, and I got $95 for it. And truthfully, guys, I can't remember what I paid for this. I'm going to say I either paid $4 or $6. This jacket is H&M. Now, we all know that H&M is your typical mall brand disposable clothing, in my opinion. $50.75. It was in new condition, but I think the print is what sold it. Just beautiful. This next item, I'm unsure if I showed in a prior haul video. This is Treasure and Bond, sold at Nordstrom. So forgive me if I have shown this already. I lose track once in a while with putting out so many videos, but I wanted you to take note of this price, $86.04. And I think most of us probably have not heard of this brand. I paid, I believe, $5. This was a vintage starter jacket, $85.68. I know nothing about athletic wear or sport equipment, but I always try my best to run comps and just use my judgment on the graphic, what the design looks like, and I said yes to it. So glad I did. This next item is Peter Millar. I love Peter Millar clothing. Some of it takes a while to sell. This one sold fairly quickly, $63.36, and I paid $4.75. This next item I found two of. I showed it in a haul video, and I might have showed when the other one sold. I believe this is the second one that sold. $132.11 for a top, guys. I paid $4.50. So that is another episode of Crazy High Profit Thrift Finds. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, go out and get what's yours.